Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we share our trade ideas every day on Forex and Bitcoin. So if you want to join our trading community, don't forget to go to the description of this video to join our Telegram channel there where I drop all my trade signals every day as of when I take them. So this week we've been talking about Euro weakness, and we've been selling Euro USD and Euro Swiss franc. So let's start with the one I took yesterday. Please, if you like this chat, if you like what we are doing here, don't forget to like this video and as well subscribe to this channel. So yesterday I had talked about taking a trade on Euro USD or Euro Swiss franc, but eventually the one I took was Euro USD. So why did I take this trade and how did I take it? So since yesterday, sorry, the day before yesterday, Wednesday, I've been looking forward to get a sale on Euro USD. So how did I get on that trade? I execute my trades on the 15 minutes time frame. So we move over to the 15 minutes time frame. What happened? Now, I had placed this support level here, and I was waiting for a break of the support and a retest of it. And that was exactly, although there was a break and retest on Wednesday, but that wasn't what we wanted. Just as I said yesterday, that it broke. And then if you want to know exactly why I didn't take it yesterday, you can check my video yesterday, why I didn't take the trade on Wednesday. So you can check my video on Thursday. The link is on the description of this video. So, but yesterday, look at what happened. Yesterday, there was a break of that particular support level, and then there was a very wonderful retest of that level. Now, after this retest, I got this candle. Now, look at how this candle looks. So this candle closed below all other of these candles. Now, immediately I saw it, it told me that the bears were fully in charge of this market. So I got in here. So when I got in, I was expecting it to get to this next psychological level. Remember, I had said that I love trading with psychological levels, and that was exactly what happened. So it came here, down here. This was when it hit my targets. So I got in here. I allowed it, so it was a very cool trade. Although at this point right here, I closed 50% of this trade because yesterday was the unemployment claims in the US, and this trade is on Euro USD, so I had to be very watchful. Although unemployment claims doesn't have much impact on Euro pairs, on USD pairs as such, but to be on a safer side, I had to close it here because already it was giving a kind of double bottom here, and here. So I had to, trade with caution. Now, that was it for yesterday. But then today, should we sell this further? I don't know, but I would say that decision would come later on today after the PMI news, because today we're having PMI coming out from the Eurozone. We have PMI from the UK and then PMI from the United States as well. So that would decide, and that would help us decide as well if we should continue selling Euro USD. But for now, we are seeing it retracing. But then the question is, where is it retracing to? Could it come to this level here, and then we get a reaction and start coming down? That's what we will decide later on today after we've had the news coming out. So we have the Euro Swiss franc. I didn't take that trade for a reason. Although during my analysis earlier on, I had said we were looking for a sell on this Euro Swiss franc. Now, look at what happened. if you check my video yesterday, you would understand what I'm saying. But then during my video yesterday, I omitted something very, very crucial and important. And what was that? I forgot to say that there was news, there was a Swiss franc news, there was a news coming out from a news and a conference as well coming out from the Switzerland. So I didn't mention that. So when the news came, it came quite dovish for the Swiss franc. And immediately after that, we got this movement to the upside. And then this movement broke this trend line and made us have a new look of everything. So that's why I didn't take this trade. Sorry, I didn't mention it yesterday, but it was just an omission. But today I had already said we're having PMI news today coming out from the Eurozone. We have PMI from the UK. We have PMI from the United States as well. So that is it for these two. So if you like what we're doing here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So on Bitcoin, I've said that I'm having a buy bias on Bitcoin. So let's look at what happened yesterday. Now I've been talking about a change of structure in the 4 hours time frame, that once I have a break of structure in the 4 hours time frame, that I'll be ready to buy the Bitcoin. But then what did we get? We didn't get a break of structure. Rather, you remember yesterday I had put this trend line as well, and I said, should Bitcoin break this trend line and retest it, that will be an indication for us to begin to buy the Bitcoin to the upside to this area of $67,000. Then should it break it, then we are expecting to come to this area of $72,000. But then look at what happened. You know, in trading, it is always good because the market is already there. The market is already there doing its own thing. So it is good that you say what you want the market to do. Then should the market do that, then you have to react as well. And then, you know, so I had put this here and I was saying that should it break this trend line, then I'll be interested. But if it doesn't, then my interest is not there. So what happened yesterday on the 4 hours time frame? So Bitcoin just went up carefully and then touched this trend line. What did we get? We got a movement to the down part of this. Now, that has as well made me to re-strategize on Bitcoin. So since it is planning to give us a new low, which might happen maybe by the end of today, we might be having a new low. That will be maybe we'll be having a low that will be getting to this area of $64,000. Now, should that happen, I will be waiting. Although if it should come to this level of 64,000, then it means that within the weekend, within Saturday, Sunday, then we are going to have a very slow movement. We're having a slow movement from this point to up to this level of $65,000. Now, should that happen, then I will be ready because that will coincide with this trend line. And once I get that, you know, reaction from this area of 65,000 and then reacting as well on this trend line, then I will be very interested in selling the Bitcoin. I'll be very interested in selling the Bitcoin to this point of 62,000, 61,000. That is my bias on Bitcoin. So if you like what we are doing here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. If you want to take our trades as well, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is on this video. But then what am I looking at today? What am I looking at today? Now, our trade is still on the euro weakness. So what am I expecting today? I'm expecting to sell EURCAD. That's the Canadian dollar. So let's look at what is happening. So I have this. So why this has not been part of our trade this week is that, I mean, why I have not sold, I have not gotten any trade or had any trade on EURCAD is because I had expected that euro, because look at this, you know, this was a very, you know, significant level and the card broke this level, then I was expecting it to retest this level. Had it had retested this level, trust me, I would have been selling EURCAD all along, maybe sometime around Tuesday, Wednesday, and even yesterday. But then I have not gotten a retest of this level here, so I have been skeptical whether it was going to continue to the up or to break down. But yesterday, what did we have? And then don't forget that I had said that yeah, on EURCAD, we are actually on an uptrend. So that was part of the reasons. I think I said it on Tuesday. That's part of the reasons I'm not, I'm being very careful of selling it. But then you see that yesterday's candle broke this trend line here. So what am I expecting today? I'm just expecting a retest of this trend line, or which will happen somewhere around this psychological level 4,700. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me see what I want, what I'm expecting here. So what am I expecting on EURCAD? So I'm expecting, of course, we'll be having PMI today. So I'm expecting a retracement to this zone right here, to this zone right here. And that will as well coincide with a retouch of this trend line that I had put here. Which will coincide with a retouch of this trend line I had put here. And that once I get a reaction, a bearish reaction here, then I would want to start selling EURCAD. So I think that is it for now, because yesterday we got a new low here. So, and what is actually making me interested on EURCAD today, though it is still on Euro weakness, but what is making me interested here is that the fact that it has given us a new low. Because if you look at Euro CHF, that's Euro Swiss franc, we don't have a new low yet, because this was on Tuesday. This here was on Tuesday. This here was on Wednesday. Then this here was yesterday being Thursday. So we have not had any new low here. And then you come to Euro USD, we don't have a new low as we look at what we have here. So you see there is no new low yet. So, but then our best bet happened to be EURCAD, because already here we have a new low. So what are we expecting? A retest of this here, and then we begin to sell it to the downside. Although looking at this, it seems that moving to the upside is going to look like a huge movement to the upside and then to the downside. But then, because of we're having PMIs today, maybe from on the euro side, it might strengthen the euro to come up to this point, and then when the US releases it, we don't know what happens. So if it retraces up here then and gives us a reaction here, maybe most probably when the New York section opens, that's when we'll maybe see a kind of reaction, bearish reaction here that would help, that would indicate that we should start selling EURCAD. So that is it for today. And then I talked about the news already. So it is actually a busy day from 8:15, 8:30, 9:30 to 2:45. We'll be having news. So whatever you are doing, you have to be very careful so that the news doesn't hit you negatively. So do have a great day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you.